Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to send money from your PayPal account to your linked bank account in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a PayPal account set up with a verified bank account linked to it. If you haven't done that yet, head over to the PayPal website or app and follow the prompts to add your bank details. It's quick and secure, and it ensures your transfers go smoothly. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, look for the Wallet or Balance section. It's usually right on the homepage. This is where you'll see your available funds. Next, click on Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money. PayPal might have slight updates in 2025, but these options should be easy to find. You'll then see a list of your linked bank accounts. Select the one you want to send money to. Now, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. PayPal will show you any potential fees or processing times, which can vary based on your bank and location. In 2025, expect faster transfers with improved security features like biometric verification. After that, review the details and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the money should hit your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, though some banks might process it instantly. One quick tip: always keep an eye on your PayPal balance and transaction history to track your transfers. If you run into any issues, PayPal's customer support is top-notch and can help you out. And there you have it. Sending money from PayPal to your bank in 2025 is straightforward and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.